Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of trip.com. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about trip.com. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.